These guys, look how they do it in Florida, man. Look how they do it in Florida. This guy got a float, bro.
Got a little bit wet, air dried that thing on now. Think I'm gonna get wet again and keep it going.
Yes, man. Bro, I've never seen one with a floater, man.
Who else got them? The guys in South Carolina make them Royal Custom Cycles.
Oh, yeah?
He makes them, yeah.
How do you get to change the bearings?
I think I've only changed it one time this year.
So then a lot of
I've
vibration.
never seen a float on a motorcycle,
They
bro.
used to have weights on the back of it, so I took the weights off. That caused problems going fast.
Oh,
It caused me a
Hey!
couple of new tires
Hey!
because I was bouncing in the front.
Hey, check this out. My buddy got one, bro. Just to get back. It's the get back wheel,
You
baby.
gotta know how to use it now.
That's the get back wheel. I know my history on this, man.
Get back.
Yeah. This the get back whip, brother.
I
Oh,
got one.
man. See, still learning. Man, that's.
Hey, that's it.
That's it.
Man, you already know about it, huh?
Yeah, you ride that boy like a real cowboy.
Man, that is cool. Prince, bro. Hey, Rose, man, we in the game, man. Next time you see me, I'm gonna be on. I'm telling you, man. Yes, sir. All right, man. Ooh.